Top 5 Best Tenoning Jig. Number 5. Grizzly Industrial H7583. Sturdiness and pure strength are essential aspects of tenoning jigs. We're happy to tell you that the H7583 more than fits the bill. Another great thing about this one is that its adjustability ranges from 45 to 90 degrees. The bevel angle goes from 75 to 90, which is also quite a feat. The performance of this jig is outright amazing. Even without the very affordable price, it would be a solid jig for professionals and amateurs alike. At the price point, it's almost unbelievable. In many respects, this jig is quite a tough one to beat. The only real problem with this model is that it might not be perfectly square straight out of the box. Still, after some tweaking, it becomes just what you need it to be, the best tenoning jig overall. What makes this product stand out? A problem with a variety of tenoning jigs is that they have small knobs for adjustments. With tenoning, you'll do a lot of adjusting, so large grip handles are more than welcome. The H7583 has large handles, which makes it very easy to work with. Pros: heavy and sturdy. Perfect for a left or right tilting saw. Brilliant for accurate compound cuts. Large handles make adjustment very easy. Adjustable friction helps you hone in on the ideal cut. Cons: adjustment for square cuts may take time. Coming in number 4. Incra High Box Jig for box joints. Honestly, this is one of the most advanced tenoning jigs on the market. The company went with an innovative design, and the risk has paid off. This tenoning jig's build allows you to set it up fast, use it on various cutting projects, while keeping your hands safe. You don't have to be a pro to use it, though. It's very straightforward. Still, many professionals get this tenoning jig, owing to its versatility and tweakability. The cool thing about the Incra High Box is that it's intended for both table saws and router tables. What makes this product stand out? The High Box has some specific joints, such as the center keep box joint, which are used for making symmetric patterns. This allows the user to create joints that match particular project plans, instead of messing with board widths to compensate for the lack of abilities of a traditional box joint jig. There's also a decorative joint that's specific to Incra, which will add the oomph to your projects. Pros: very fast to set up and versatile. A very progressive design, extremely advanced. Works on both sides of the cutter, reversible design. Vastly improved user safety, compared to most tenoning jigs. Cons: more expensive than most tenoning jigs, although not without a reason. Coming in number 3. General Tools 870 Easy Pro. Many tenoning jigs are either mounted onto the workbench directly or clamped to the board. This being a personal preference, it means that some jigs aren't for some people. The 870 Easy Pro offers the best of both worlds, which makes it very, very versatile. This jig comes fully assembled out of the box, and ready to use instantly. This is extremely useful, as you aren't likely to be moving a jig around frequently. Admittedly, though, your package may not come with a user manual. This can be quite an issue for woodworking beginners. Plus, a couple of extra accessories come inside the box that aren't mentioned in the official manual. All of which can add to the confusion. Still, you can find the manual online. What makes this product stand out? What makes the 870 Easy Pro truly special is the fact that it can cut both tenons and mortises. You won't find many tenoning jigs that do both, and it's a great thing. But why don't all tenoning jigs offer this feature? They haven't been able to figure out how to do it successfully, while General Tools have. Why would people want any other tenoning jigs? Well, some don't need a tenoning jig to make mortises. Pros: very versatile. Cuts tenons and mortises. Set up, right out of the box. Made out of aircraft-grade aluminum. Very easy to mount on a board or on a workbench. Cons: may not come with a manual. Some accessories may not be listed in the manual. Coming in number 2. Incra Build-It System Starter Kit. Features: make coping sled, disc sander jig, shooter board squaring jig and tenoning jig with new Incra Build-It Starter Kit. New method for quickly and easily creating an extremely wide variety of common and special purpose jigs. Work with all Incra Track and Incra T-Track components and accessories. Your new Incra Build-It System Starter Kit provides all of the Build-It System components you'll need to produce any of the 5 different beneficial jigs shown here, plus many more. This highly versatile collection of jig and fixture building blocks, along with the included plans, will change the way you approach these and many other jig designs, making it possible to produce in minutes what used to take hours or even days. Coming in number 1. Shop Fox D4902 Tenoning Jig. Features: fits left and right tilting table saws with 3/8 inch or 3/4 inch miter gauge slots. Handles stock up to 3 1/4 inches thick. Adjustable guide bar for tight tolerances. 2 large grip handles. This fully adjustable tenoning jig fits left and right tilting table saws with 3/8 inch by 3/4 inch miter gauge slots while handling is stock up to 3 1/4 inch thick. It has an adjustable guide bar for removing any loose plate for precise results and 2 large grip handles for smooth control. The bevel angle is adjustable from 90° to 75°, and the backstop is adjustable from 90° to 45°. The multi-position control levers and extra-large clamping handwheel ensure accurate and repeatable results. Additional assembly required for left tilting saws.